Yes, sir. Loud and clear. I wanna be a colonel to prove my worth, and I want to experience as being colonel, even though I am already ex-DFG here at Army and ex-LG at PD. The colonel duty is to line the soft and hard hats if the material theft is coming up, and then that's it, sir. I'll handle the base. I will gonna act like a general. I'll tell them to always refresh the bases. If there's get G1, they will ask for the BC, and I'll gonna give the BC so they can get the BC to guard the gate again. Sir, rule number 8 is violating rules of server, sir. If you violated the rules, it will gonna lead you to dismissal or one reprimand. It depends on the decision of the leader. What again, sir? Them, you're lagging. I'll gonna open my bodygun first and then warning them. If didn't they obey my order, I'll gonna report them on the higher ups. For disobeying my order, it will be gonna lead to rule number 6, Army, non-observance of the subordination, or not following orders of the general. First, I'll open my bodygun and then warning them. If they didn't obey, I'll gonna report them for the higher ups. I mean, in the higher ups. Rule number 3 is corruption, sir. Asking for money or services, or it's that is a bribe for the faction. I will open my bodyguard, sir, and tell them to stop what they are doing. If they didn't obey my order, I'll gonna report them on the higher ups. I'll open my bodyguard, sir. Just like what I said earlier, sir. I'll always open my bodyguard. If they didn't obey my order, I'll gonna report them. Okay, then now for sir.